Welcome to The Secret Chef with me, Chef Gazpacho. This is the show where we teach you how to cook. Today we're gonna make the secret recipe that my mama used to make. Doesn't this look good? My belly is trembling. I just gotta eat it. Let's take a look at our ingredients before I get too hungry. Those are gonna taste bella. Now it's time to make the recipe. These toasts are very fast, so mix them all up and into the oven they go. Ta-da! Hey, it turned out just like a mama's. Now this is gonna taste really nice. Why don't you go give it a try? I know you like it. Here's the recipe once again. I hope you enjoy my little show. Remember, keep cooking.
The Secret Chef was brought to you by